Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you the most dramatic moment of the war so far as Crimea erupts in flames after a massive Ukrainian strike that has shaken the entire region and stunned the Kremlin. This was not an ordinary explosion. It was the statement of power, precision, and defiance from a nation that refuses to surrender. Ukraine has once again proven that its reach extends deep into occupied territory and that even the most fortified bases of Russia are not safe anymore. Reports from the ground describe a night sky turning bright orange as a huge blast echoed across the peninsula. People woke to see towers of smoke rising high into the air and flames spreading across what was believed to be a major Russian fuel storage site. Witnesses described chaos, emergency vehicles rushing to the scene, and the unmistakable sound of secondary explosions as ammunition and fuel ignited one after another within minutes. The news spread like wildfire across social media. Videos showed the inferno lighting up the horizon, and the shock was felt all the way to Moscow. It was no accident. It was a deliberate attack planned with precision by Ukrainian special operations. According to sources familiar with the mission, it targeted a critical node of Russian logistics, cutting off supplies that feed the southern front. By striking in Crimea, Ukraine hit both the body and the pride of Russia. Because Crimea has always been more than land for Moscow, it is a symbol of power, a sign of control, a piece of territory the Kremlin never thought could be touched. But that illusion has now been shattered. This explosion demonstrates that no region under occupation is beyond Ukrainian reach. For months, Ukraine has developed and tested long-range drones capable of evading Russian radar. And tonight, those drones have changed the course of the war again. The strike hit with perfect timing when Russian convoys were preparing for renewed offensives across southern Ukraine, and now those operations face massive disruptions. Analysts say this single attack could delay Russian logistics for weeks, maybe longer. The magnitude of this explosion also carries psychological weight. Every time Russian citizens see smoke rising from Crimea, it undermines the belief that their army is untouchable. For the first time since occupation, the Russian population is forced to face a simple truth. Their control is slipping, and the world is watching. The Kremlin tried to downplay it, calling the explosion a technical malfunction, but satellite imagery and independent reports have confirmed extensive damage. Entire fuel depots destroyed, vehicles burnt to ashes, and supply lines interrupted for miles. It is becoming impossible for Russian officials to hide the scale of their losses. Even pro-Kremlin bloggers expressed disbelief and anger online, blaming weak air defenses and poor leadership. One wrote that if the enemy can reach Crimea again, then no one in Russia is safe anymore. Such comments quickly disappeared. But the frustration remains. Putin now finds himself under immense pressure. Every strike like this chips away at his credibility. The Russian elite expected quick victories, but instead they are seeing losses in territory, morale, and image. Meanwhile, in Kiev, confidence is growing. The Ukrainian leadership continues to send a clear message that they will take back what is theirs. Officials have hinted that Crimea will remain a target until Russian forces withdraw or are driven out completely. This determination has fueled nationwide pride as ordinary Ukrainians celebrate another successful operation, calling it justice served. Many see this as payback for years of occupation and oppression. Ukraine's intelligence strategy has evolved dramatically. These operations are not random. They are part of a larger effort to cripple Russia's logistics system and make the occupation unsustainable. The precision of this strike shows that Ukraine has mastered the art of hybrid warfare, combining intelligence, surveillance, cyber operations, and drone attacks into one seamless campaign. This is modern warfare executed with intelligence and patience. Each strike builds pressure, slowly tightening the grip on Russian positions. The impact of this explosion goes beyond the battlefield. It has disrupted the illusion of security that Russia built around Crimea. When the Kerch Bridge was first attacked, it was a shock, but now repeated hits have turned fear into reality. The once proud image of Crimea as a secure fortress is fading fast, and panic is growing among the occupying administration. Officials in Crimea have started evacuating families of Russian officers from key cities. They know more strikes may come. Russia has responded by deploying more air defense systems, but as seen before, technology alone cannot stop determination. Ukrainian engineers and soldiers continue to innovate, creating new methods to penetrate those defenses, and each success emboldens them further. While Russian commanders issue threats, Ukraine quietly proves that action speaks louder than words. International reaction has been mixed. Allies support Ukraine's right to defend itself, but urge caution to avoid uncontrolled escalation. Yet many military experts agree this is a turning point. By targeting Crimea, Ukraine has demonstrated strategic dominance without crossing humanitarian lines. The strike focused solely on military infrastructure, avoiding civilian casualties and winning global respect in the process. Even nations once hesitant to support Ukraine are beginning to recognize its growing capability and discipline. Behind the headlines the strike has sent ripples through Russian society. Questions are being asked about the cost of this war and whether endless losses are worth defending occupied land. For many Russians, Crimea was supposed to be the untouchable jewel of national pride. Now it represents vulnerability, fear, and failure when explosions light up its skies. It is not victory they see, but the crumbling myth of strength inside the Kremlin. The mood has darkened. Frustration is spreading among generals as blame circulates over intelligence failures and outdated defense tactics. The silence from Putin only adds to speculation about internal divisions. Yet despite this chaos, Russia continues to push propaganda, promising revenge, threatening retaliation, and vowing to strengthen its grip. But every loud promise is followed by quiet confusion, because deep down the leadership knows the tide is turning. Ukraine is forcing Russia to fight on multiple fronts: logistical, psychological, and political. This is not just a war of weapons, but of willpower. And Ukraine is showing the world that its will remains unbroken. On the ground, Ukrainian morale is at an all-time high. Soldiers at the front say the sound of explosions in Crimea inspires them, reminding them that justice is being restored inch by inch, day by day. The people see hope again. The strike has also renewed global focus on the war. Media around the world are replaying the footage of the massive blast. Analysts are debating what it means for the months ahead. Some believe this could mark the beginning of a new phase of the conflict, one defined by deep precision strikes that slowly erode Russian control from within. Others see it as part of Ukraine's psychological campaign to weaken Russia's grip before a future counteroffensive. Whatever the strategy, one thing is clear: Ukraine is no longer reacting. It is leading by choosing when, where, and how to strike. The future of Crimea is now a question of time and endurance for Russia. Every new explosion erodes its image of control for Ukraine. Every successful operation strengthens belief in liberation, and the people watching around the world are witnessing history unfold before their eyes. As night falls over Crimea, again smoke still rises from the wreckage, and the echoes of the blast linger in the air. A reminder that power can shift, that occupation is not forever. and that those who fight for freedom can reach even the most guarded corners of their homeland. Ukraine's biggest strike, yet has changed the narrative completely. It has turned fear into courage, silence into confidence, and doubt into determination. The Kremlin is stunned, the world is watching, and the message is clear: no fortress is unbreakable, no empire untouchable. Crimea has exploded, and with it, the illusion of Russian invincibility. This is only the beginning. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe for more ups from the front lines of truth, where courage meets history and the battle for freedom continues.